photographers have spent hundreds of hours getting their animal show ready and finally get to reap the fruits of their labor. Thank you for watching the Weekly Wrap-Up. I'm Salma Arechiga. For many FFA students, the day begins as soon as the sun rises as they prepare to showcase their animals at the fair.
So on a regular day, we probably spend close to 4 hours with them, 2 in the morning and 2 at night. Sometimes it's more than that. They get fed twice a day. They get walked every day, baths all the time. They get pretty dirty, so they need to be washed a lot. It's a lot of commitment, it's a lot of time. We spend probably more time with them than some of our friends or family.
This is Michael Jimenez, third year involved in the FFA program at Shafter High School. While working on his roping skills, in between caring for and showing his animal, he says there's many more skills to learn.
Something about FFA that I like is public speaking, because you can't stay quiet and you can't be a quiet person while you're showing in the ring or you're in class, because FFA, it takes a lot of coming out of your shell and to be able to say who you are and express who you are by going out and just doing stuff like fun games and showing in the ring and being able to take care of your pig or any show animal that you may have.
From cleaning pens to presenting in front of the experienced judges, at the end of the day, the fair is truly a family affair. Students are surrounded by an army of support from parents, staff, and the community. The FFA program is shaping students into future leaders, teaching responsibility, work ethic, communication, financial literacy, and agricultural knowledge, all while building a supportive network. Stay connected to KHSD at the fair. To see more photos and winners, head to Kern High School District on Instagram. Students across Kern County showcased their culinary talents at the Kern County Fair last Friday in an exciting chop challenge, teaming up with school nutrition directors to compete in the Ultimate Cooking Showdown. Hosted by Bluestone's Project Bakersville, the challenge paired 5 adults with students, each tasked with creating a healthy and delicious Bluestones-inspired dish in just 30 minutes. Crowned culinary champions for their taste of Spain tapas were KHSD Chef Brandon Sullivan from the Central Kitchen and Ridgeview High School student Haley Burnett. We want to celebrate all the amazing KHSD teams that competed. Starting with Jennifer Davis, KHSD Nutrition Services Director, and Miramonte High School student Catherine Gallardo. Then we had Richard Andrews, KHSD Nutritional Services Director, and Independence High School student Rayan Jenkins. KHSD Culinary Instructor at Journey Career Center, Chef Chris Hurstum, and Shafter High School student Emily Sainz. Last but not least, Lupe Isabella, KHSD Assistant Nutrition Director, and Highland High School student Samantha Magana. Highland High School won the $2,000 School Spirit Winner Cash Prize for having the most students in attendance for the competition. Thank you for watching the Weekly Wrap-Up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.